The first term of a geometric series is A and the second term is B. What are the third and fourth terms? And they're not C and D, unfortunately. So the first term is A and the second term is B. If it's a geometric series, then you've got to multiply it by something to get from A to B. The only way to get from A to B, the A has to disappear, so you'd be dividing by A, and the B has to appear, so you'd have to multiply by B over A. So if you multiplied A by B over A, that would end up giving you B. So the common ratio is B over A. So that means then that the third term, U3, would be B times B over A, which is B squared over A. So you're timesing by B over A. And U4, again, multiplied by the common ratio, so B divided by A, and that will give you B cubed divided by A squared. Part B is what is the 10th term? Well, if you notice the relationship, when we've got 3, you've got the power of B is 2 and the power of A is 1. When you're looking at the fourth term, the power of B is 3 and the power of A is 2. So follow that pattern, and then you can see that the power of B is 1 less, so 9, and the power of A is 1 less again, so that would be 8.